So here we are once again in the farmers market area of downtown Dallas and home of Ruibal's Plants of Texas. We had some home and garden questions for owner Mark Ruibal, and he planted some seeds of inspiration in our fertile minds. So Mark, driving up today, I noticed a lot of pumpkins. Oh my gourd, you've got tons of pumpkins. So other than pumpkins, what are some of the fan favorites this season?
Well, seasonally what you're going to start off with is your chrysanthemums. That'll be your September, October. That gives you the great fall color, chrysanthemums and crotons and that type of thing. Then we get into pumpkins and gourds and all that kind of fun stuff. And then later on we'll switch into changing our pumpkin yard into our Christmas tree lot. We'll have rosemaries in forms and shapes and stuff like that. We'll have a bunch of the pansies and all that type of stuff. And those are your main wintertime flowers, your pansies and dianthus. And even snapdragons, which are great right now. They go kind of dormant in the wintertime, and then they come back out first thing in the spring. They're one of the early bloomers.
So I understand that the plants here are all pretty hardy, and they're meant to plant in Texas. We
have about 40 acres where we grow our own stuff. All of our bedding plants, a lot of our perennials. And so they're acclimated to Dallas. There's not a big changeover where we're shipping them from far away and then we have to keep them for a while until they're ready. They're ready the minute they hit the ground here. So anything is just grown here, locally here. It's made for our climate. And so last time you were here, one of the fun things we've done is out at the plant farm. Actually, an important thing we've done. At the plant farm, we started growing our pots in what we call an Ellie pot. Okay. Pop the bottom of that there, pull this out. And if you look close, you've got actually a paper pot as opposed to the little plastic ones that we used to grow in. Makes things much faster in production. It makes the plants healthier, and most importantly, you're going to have about 4 semi-loads of plastic that doesn't get thrown in the landfill because we've switched to this new type of planter. Yeah.
It's a little plant child. That's awesome.
Into the ground, and it biodegrades by the time the next season is ready. So you don't have to worry about loosening up your plants. You don't have to chase the little pots up and down the street if you have wind.
Man, it's good for the earth.
It's great for the earth.
Yeah, wonderful. So Mark, here we are at one of your amazing locations, wondering why we would be thinking about planting this time of year.
Well, the heat of the summer is over now, and so you want to have some good-looking flowers in front of your house. Yeah. So that's why you switch out to pansies. They'll last all through the winter time. They'll go all the way until March, and there's a bunch of different things that you can do. Fall is a great time to plant shrubs and trees and bigger things that are going to be your foundation plants. They go dormant through the winter time, so early springtime they come out, and that's when they leaf out, and that's when they bud and bloom. So it's a great time to plant right now.
So you have all these beautiful plants around, and that should be enough, but you also have an amazing gift shop. Tell me about that.
Well, the gift shop started, we've got a beautiful building that was built in the 20s that's been rehabbed. We do pottery, we do knickknacks, we do succulents. We'll even plant them up for you if you buy them from us, or bring your own pots in and we'll plant those up for you and you can take them back with you. We do that with our annuals too, for that matter. So,
Mark, this is the perfect one-stop shop.
Yeah, we have a little bit of everything.
I love it. We want to thank Mark Ruibal today at Ruibal's Plants of Texas for providing a great snapshot of when we can plant, how we can plant, and all of these amazing plants that you can put around your home and garden. I'm Lacey Pruitt. From myself and Mark, happy holidays from Home and Lifestyle TV.